If you want to know about PLC modules and their functions and how to make hardware configuration on PLC Siemens, this video for you. I am Paulus Ashraf and this is Automation Notes. Don't forget your like and share will help engineers to know more about PLC. Your subscribe will help us to continue. First module is power supply. Its job supply other PLC modules with power. This module is optional. That means you can use external power supply. The second module is CPU, the most important module in PLC because it is the brain of the PLC. Its job is to execute the user program, supplies 5 volts to the backplane bus, and communicates with other nodes of an MPI network via the MPI interface and controls the PLC input and output. The third module is IM module, stands for interface module. The IM connects the various rows in a PLC with another one. Let's see. This is the first row that contains CPU, and you want to connect 3 other rows with this CPU. You will use interface module to do this job. After that, signals modules. The signal module matches different process signal levels of PLC. There are many types of signal modules like digital input module, digital output module, analog input module, and analog output module. The FM module performs time critical and memory intensive process signal processing tasks, positioning or controlling, for example. Finally, communication module. The communication module relieves the CPU of communication tasks. Let's start making hardware configuration on PLC. Follow these steps to do hardware configuration.